Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find, guys, where the blower motor fan, also known as HVAC, fuses and relays are located on that generation Jeep Cherokee from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. By the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. And if you need something, you can see also where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The blower motor fan, also known as the HVAC system, fuses and relays. Let's explain where you can find them. By the way, guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee has hidden fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of trouble, guys. We need to go ahead and open the hood. Lucky for us, we're working a fuse box that's easy to get to, and most people know about that fuse box. It's located on the driver's side, right here, behind the car battery. Press the two tabs, lift that cover here up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Guys, where you can expect to find the fuses and the relays. The first fuse that we need to check will be that 40 amp fuse, which is one of the main fuses, but we have other fuses that we need to check as well. But check that fuse right here, fuse 39, 40 amp fuse. Some models may have different amperage, but for ours is that one, fuse 39. So next we need to check fuse number 79. You wonder where it's located in that row here. We're talking about this double fuse that's known as micro 3-blade fuse right here. After that, you will need to, guys, locate fuse number 65. And 65, guys, looking at it now, coming in this row, we're talking about a 10 amp fuse right there. That's fuse number 65. Also, we need to check relay K8, and relay K8 will be that relay right here. Those are the main things that you will need to check for the blower motor fan HVAC system on Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.